Hello and welcome into 2111 Southeast 11th Street. We're going to do a walkthrough on this house so you can see the interior and all that this house has to offer. We've just done a huge price decrease and I can't wait to show it to you. Okay, so upon entry, you'll see this beautiful and bright living room, which is attached to the dining room. This is a beautiful split floor plan, which means that your primary room and your guest bedrooms are on opposite sides of the house. Centrally located, you'll find this beautiful kitchen, which has granite countertops, updated stainless steel appliances, beautiful backsplash and cabinetry. Comes with a pot rack and a wine glass holder for all your wine drinkers. This whole house is tile throughout. There's no carpet in here. And here you'll find vaulted ceilings in here in this beautiful and bright, again, family room. I love this room. Comes with television set. The home actually comes with 3 television sets, so if you're looking to just have some television sets right when you move in, here you go. Okay, and out here through these beautiful French doors is this beautiful saltwater pool and a Baja shelf. Perfect for your afternoons. Sitting in the sun, drinking a cocktail. And then walking back through the lanai, here is the primary bedroom. This is a beautiful room. Has your own access to the lanai from here. This beautiful door. Go out here and sneak out here in the morning with your coffee. This also comes with a television. And here you'll find the primary bath. Primary bedroom has this beautiful walk-in closet. Okay, and on the other side of the house, here is the second bedroom. Nice size room. And then here is the second or guest bathroom, which is a full bathroom here. Nice and updated and ready to go. And here's the third bedroom. Another nice and bright and airy bedroom. Perfect for guests and children. Nice full-size closets on this side. And then here you have an indoor laundry area. Comes with a utility sink. Newer hot water heater here. And then here's a very spacious, oversized 2-car garage. There's a utility shelf here, which is perfect for storing boxes and things that you have that you don't want to be kept on the floor. Okay, so we just did a price decrease on this down to $415,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom with a little over 1,600 square feet on a 1/4 acre land. It has a beautiful fenced-in backyard. We just had a new roof installed. There's a little bit of soffit that still has to get done. It's scheduled for the beginning of January, but there's only a couple of pieces missing. The house is ready to go. And talk a little bit about the neighborhood, because this is a beautiful, quiet neighborhood here. It's close to Rosen Park. If you have a boat launch is right down the street, less than a mile. We also are less than a mile from the hospital, Capecoral Hospital, and also shopping is right down the street if you like Publix and dining. So it's a great neighborhood, family oriented. Lots going on around here. So if you have any interest, please feel free to reach out and call me 239-322-9243. I'm Tara Brummer with Treasure Key Realty.